been about an hour since I got back from driving up to the nuclear plant, but I got a check oil light and it's been smoking blue smoke, the BMW. So it's going to the shop the 7th. They're gonna look at it, but I'm gonna check the catch can setup, see if that's overflowing. So I'm gonna pull that out. Probably do like a montage of me taking that out because it's gonna take a while because it's kind of in there with like a bunch of bolts holding it in. Kind of a pain in the butt to take out, but I'll get that all done. Sorry, having an aneurysm. My bad. We're gonna go ahead and just get into this thing. As you can see, we got 2 bolts right here. The catch can setup actually holds the power steering fluid reservoir on, so yeah, we got a couple things to take off, but hopefully it's not the stem seals. I don't think it is. It can't be the turbo seals. It's a brand new turbo. The seals, we just sent the turbo back to get completely rebuilt at Precision, so it was done right. So it can't be that. So that's not the issue. The only thing that I would think of is some sort of seals inside the engine. So might have to pull the head off the car and get that all redone. So we'll see. We're gonna get right into this. Okay, guys, got it all out with the catch can, and I don't know, it's looking like there's a lot of unburnt fuel. Looks like there's a little bit much of unburnt fuel. If you can see, it smells like straight gasoline. I mean, look at that. There's like slight oil and just fuel. So, yeah. Oh well. We're just gonna put it all back together and then see if it's running any better. So obviously that's not gonna fix it burning oil, because clearly that's not the problem. So we're just gonna put it all back together, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so that was the biggest pain in the butt. The guy that designed this did not design it to be taken out all the time, because if you look here, grab the light. So the catch can also is what holds the power steering thing on, the power steering reservoir on. As you see, just uses like a filter clamp, and that is the biggest pain in the butt to get on, because they like come up and down with each other. And it is, you're just fighting it the entire time. I got it back all together and all that, and also just the way it's angled, I probably dropped the ratchet down all the way down to the bottom of the, like where the oil pan is, probably like 3 times, and I had to use the good old trusty magnet pen to get it out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be changing that, because I don't want to have to deal with that every time I have to drain the catch can. Okay, you guys, we're gonna be trying to clean up this garage. We're gonna pull out the cars just to make it look nice in here. My dad, which he's right, he was complaining that it was a little dirty in here, so I figured, you know what, he's right. So we're gonna pull everything out. He only wanted me to put away some stuff that I left out last night when I was working on the BMW, but I'm gonna pull the cars out, completely clean this garage, make it look nice for him. So I'll probably get cinematic shots of that for you guys to watch me sweep and do all that good stuff in this garage. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it because it's gonna take a while. So stay tuned and you guys get to watch me clean. Yay. Okay guys, just wrapped up. It looks 10 times better in here. I think you'll be stoked that I went and took the initiative to clean the garage, but as you can see, it's way cleaner over here. Those RC cars go in my room, so those won't be there, but just got that all organized. Put the crazy car right there instead of having it right here in the way. Completely cleaned off this area on the countertop, so space to work if you need to. And then this thing was just cluttered with stuff, so I just cleaned off the top section as best I could. And I swept like crazy. Floor has never been this not dirty. Got all the RC cars. But yeah, no, it looks good in here. I think you'll be happy. So I just wrapped up all that. Not sure if I'm going to do anything else today. I just got done working on the BMW too, so. Hey guys, this is the outro of the video. It was a pretty solid day. We got some good stuff done. We got the catch can setup all dialed on the BMW. Also got the garage looking all spiffy. It's way nicer in there now. It feels a lot more open. Feels like there's more space to do activities, stuff, work on stuff. That workbench is actually has a free space now, so that's really nice. I usually like to use that for when I'm working on the crazy cart. Crazy cart's moved closer to the garage door, so it's easier to get out. Yeah, it just looks a lot more cleaner in there, so I dig it. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you guys want to see anything, go ahead, comment down below. I'm so down to film something cool for you guys. I enjoy it. It's actually really fun. You'd be surprised once you get used to the camera being in your face. It's like a regular day. So yeah. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.